Nothing says welcome like a home that feels and smells fresh. And many of you are prepping for upcoming family gatherings for the holidays, which means extra traffic in the kitchen, the fridge, and beyond. So today, we are sharing a few cleaning secrets to help tackle those sneaky, stubborn odors from drains and garbage disposals and everything else. Cleaning expert Briana Lybbert with This Messie Life joins me with ideas to get your home in tip-top shape for the holidays. And Briana, you say smell is one of the first things, I can attest, one of the first things people notice when they walk in.
Every time. We've done quizzes. It's the number one thing anyone notices, and it's so rooted in nostalgia. I mean, there's so many memories, everything connected with smells. So we're gonna talk about some of the causes that are kind of secretly underneath, because you never wanna just mask it. Like lighting a candle is great, there's certain things you can do, but let's get to the root cause. And we've got some things to go.
You say they're pretty simple, so what is first?
Yes, okay, so we're gonna talk about drains. Sometimes you get like a stinky drain and you don't know why, so it's coming usually from your pee trap. It sounds worse than it is.
No, I know about the pee trap in the laundry room too.
It looks like the little U part of your drain. It's where stuff gets stuck. So there's a really great hack for this I found online that is so simple. You're just going to run your hot water for like 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to kind of loosen the sludge down there. Then pour some baking soda in, and then pour your vinegar down, and then cover it with a towel. And that way, and vinegar and baking soda don't really create a great cleaning agent, but what they do create is that volcanic explosion, right? That's what you want through the drain. It's gonna clear out your drain. So you cover it and repeat it a few times. And you know what, I didn't like that enough, so I had to add to it, and I was like, oh my gosh, my kids have a plunger, a little mini plunger.
Oh, mini plunger.
Yeah, they throw them at the walls and stuff, but I went and grabbed it and thought, I'm gonna try and plunge it. So I plunged it. You do have to cover the little hole in the sink, plunge it, and then you'll hear it swishing. And by the way, this drain smells like a dream. So no stinky drains anymore. It takes about 8 minutes. So totally worth it.
So you were actually like pushing it down. Usually you're just pushing that stuff away.
It's honestly just kind of like sludging it back and forth, and you can see some spit out, and it's clearing out all that stuff that just gets stuck down there.
Okay,
so that's really fun.
Yes. Okay, trash, we're gonna talk about trash.
Well, first, really fast, we're gonna talk about garbage disposals.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite little hacks. Clean your garbage disposal like once a month. Just get it down there with a little brush. But this is a great way to keep it. I'm just gonna show you a few. You just dice up a lemon and put the little lemon pieces into the ice cube tray. I'll just do a few. And then in here, I just have distilled white vinegar. And you're just gonna pour it in. See if we can do this without spilling. Yes. Oh, we're doing good.
Good job.
Yep, and then freeze those little babies and throw them into your garbage disposal at night after you clean, and it will pull off anything that's building up.
The vinegar is what I'm missing, because sometimes I will throw just a lemon rind down,
yes,
you know,
vinegar,
and do that, but the vinegar.
And this is what's gonna kill the odors in your house. I cannot talk about it enough. My mom used to clean with vinegar, and I hated it. It was like so stinky. I'm like, why are you cleaning with the stinkiest thing ever? Because it actually kills the odor-causing bacteria. And so your house will end up smelling actually better than trying to cover it with a spray or something.
That's a great tip.
Okay, let's keep moving. I got a lot of things here.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, trash can. Don't use scented bags, It's gonna make your trash smell worse. It just is.
It's the masking you were talking about.
It's the masking, which with trash, we're in the masking world. There's nothing you can do about it. But I like to either throw a paper towel at the bottom of mine and just put some essential oils on it. Or these are so great. So we have these little felted pads that you put on, they're furniture pads.
Yeah.
You just stick them inside the can or behind the can and put your favorite spray or oil on it, and it will just give off like a nice aroma. And
it works much better than a scented bag, you're saying?
Yes. The scented bag kind of mixes funny. These to me are better. And you can put these also in your vents in your house. Like I know someone's like, is it a fire hazard? I'm like, no, it's not a fire hazard. Think of all the crap I've seen some scary things in vents before. Not a fire hazard. Stick them in your vents, and then every time your air turns on, you get a nice fresh scent.
And so you just pick your favorite essential oil that you like, the smell, maybe lavender in the bedroom, something else, and just go for it.
For the garbage can, I like things that are citrusy, like orange or lemon that are natural. We're not trying to cover. We're just kind of rolling with the trash.
I like it.
Okay, moving on. We have upholstery. Upholstery is a big factor when it comes to smell in the house. Huge, in fact, like your curtains, your throw pillows, your rugs, that kind of stuff, and it can be a little tricky to clean. So I do have my little green machine here. This thing is a powerhouse. It is my absolute favorite tool when it comes.
Is that an upholstery cleaner?
It's an upholstery cleaner, yes. I love it, I love it, I love it. And if your upholstery is specifically stinky, you're gonna wanna use a little bit of vinegar and water, spray it on it before you use that, let it sit for maybe even like an hour or two, and then go through and pull it out, because once again, it's going to kill the odor instead of just masking it. I know a lot of people like Febreze and sprays, and what those sprays are actually doing is it's creating a layer to absorb more dirt and bacteria. So over time, your fabrics will start to smell worse and worse and worse.
You need to get rid of it.
You need to strip it of the odor. So, and then this Folex, I've talked about this before, and I'll talk about it again. Folex is amazing. Folex is like my favorite stain remover. So that is upholstery, and anything you can throw in the wash, throw it in the wash. If you can take a pillow cover off or a blanket, throw it in the wash, and anything you can't, those are my go-tos.
Okay, fantastic.
Okay, trash, or not trash, vacuums.
Vacuums.
Okay.
Vacuums can get smelly.
Can get smelly.
Yes.
Vacuums are smelly.
Okay.
Like, I can't tell you, when I used to clean houses, I'd use people's vacuums, and I was like, oh my gosh, clean your vacuum, because every time you use it, it's like spraying a can of stink all through the house if you have a stinky vacuum. And if you're doing a last minute little, oh my gosh, my friend's coming over for the holidays, and you're gonna vacuum, you just made your entire place stink because your vacuum stinks.
Okay, how do we
clean your
clean
vacuum?
it?
So your filters are washable, most of them, and you can just rewash them. They look like this. And then there's another part that's not washable, but these don't have to be replaced very often. Look up the model number on your vacuum on the back, or put it on Amazon or Google, and you can find your filters and clean out your vacuum. Also, these fresh wave beads, you can put these in your canister.
Just put them right in the
You just
canister.
pour them in the canister or the bag, and it will get your vacuum smelling fresh again. If you feel like you've cleaned it out and it's just like, I can't bring this thing back from the grave, it's so dead and stinky, throw some of those in and you'll be good.
Okay, great.
So those are some of our de-stinkers. Now we have a couple of scents that I kind of want to talk about.
What are the scents you like?
Okay.
If you do want an aroma filling your home.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I have a couple options. One, we have, down here we have the Pura. These are amazing. I love the Puras. They have so many brands that they're partnered with. There's so many different scents you can use. And you can, so they sync to your phone.
Yeah.
So you can turn them on, you can have them
Up
in
or
different
down,
rooms.
yes.
Yeah, up or down, however you want. And this Anthropology scent right here, let's see if we can, I can't remember. Fresh balsam and cedarwood.
Especially this time of year.
It is my favorite. I order it every year. And my recommendation is get 2 for 1 and don't mix scents. I've tried doing, there's 2 different canisters in there. Don't do different scents. Keep the same together. Otherwise, they kind of bleed into each other funny.
And you recommend having like a go bag for like
to-go
cleaning
bag.
essentials.
Yes.
Is that what this is?
Yes, this is my to-go bag. I'll just bust it open really fast.
These are essential things you just need in a pinch.
These are like the on-the-go items that are just so convenient to have when you're at a party, when you're on about. We have quite a few things in here, and I don't know how much we're gonna get through, but we have hand sanitizer, a little lint roller, which is so great. We have in here, let's see if I'll just kind of hold it up here.
Well, and we'll have all these
hair
things.
ties, floss, gum, the little toothbrushes. We've got a tampon. We've got chapstick, the little bit of cash, holiday cash.
The go
you
bag.
know?
The go bag.
Yeah.
I love it. And you also finally have a list where you kind of broken down these things on your website.
Yes, we have a little list. Oh, it kind of fell over here. That's okay. We'll just kind of hold it up. But holiday prep cleaning checklist. This is a 4-day. It's like so as your house is fresh when they get here, 4-day, bang it all out so everything's good to go.
And what's your website?
ThisMessieLife.com, and you can download that and print it off for free.
Briana, thank you so much.
Thank
We're all
you.
going to have lovely smelling homes for the holidays.
Yes, I hope so. Enjoy your
Thanks for the
holiday.
tips.